In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Whop. This process is fairly straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. To begin, you'll need to log into your Whop account. If you're not sure where to start, just enter your username and password on the login page, and you'll be directed straight to the home page. Once you've comfortably landed on the home page, turn your focus to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you'll find your profile icon. Give it a click to move on to the next step. In the profile section, there's an option labeled Balance that you'll want to select. Now at this point, you might notice that there's no balance showing in my account. That's simply because I'm using this account primarily for tutorial purposes, but don't worry if yours looks the same. It's perfectly normal when you're just starting out. Before you proceed with any transactions or money withdrawals, it's crucial to verify your account. This verification step ensures the security and legitimacy of your profile and gives you peace of mind as you set up your payment method. The process begins by asking for some basic information, such as your first and last name, your business type, your date of birth, your country, and your address. After providing these details, you'll be asked for documents that can verify the information you supplied. Next, you will need to enter an email address. Make sure it's one that's current and accessible, as this will be linked to your preferred payout method or account. For added security, you'll also have to create or confirm a password during the setup process. With all these details filled out, you can